So the ceiling and roof system in this building is a hybrid. Down in my house I have a self-supporting reciprocal roof that's with round wood rafters, and I liked that. And in this building I wanted to try something a little different, partially because I wanted a lot of water catchment, and so instead of a pond liner and living roof down at my house, this roof has a metal roof. And in order to get a metal roof, I wanted the rafters to be more or less on the same horizontal plane, or vertical plane rather. And so I didn't want them stacked on top of each other like a self-supporting reciprocal roof would be. So in these are 2x rafters, and they butt into each other and are bolted to each other at the ends there. And so this is not quite a reciprocal roof, but it's also not quite a radial rafter roof system, where a radial would go perpendicular to the skylight. These go kind of off to the edge like a radial does. And this here is a light tube, and so it's a little different than a skylight in that there's two airtight domes, one on the top and one on the bottom, separated by a big air cavity, and so there's some insulative value to it. And then there's aluminum flashing along the inside of that tube that reflects a lot of light, and so the sun comes in the top dome, bounces off of the aluminum side, and then bounces off of all the little reflectors on the bottom side of the dome. So without any lights on in here, it's pretty bright most of the time. And I planned in operable windows that go into the bedrooms, and so someone can open and close these to let heat and air exchange, ventilation into the bedrooms, but they're also placed nicely so that the light from the skylight comes through them and down into the back end of both of the bedrooms to help illuminate bedroom space. There's also, if we peek just over here, all of these windows are operable, and this one down here at the far end, this is kind of the lowest likelihood of good draft and ventilation in the building, and so I wanted that operable window kind of right across from this operable window so that I can open them both and get a good through draft all the time. And it's possible that the bed will be back here, and you don't want mold to bloom from just lack of air movement.
Take a second now to click on the subscribe button if you like the video and want to see more like it. So these holes in the what are those for? Passing things through, or
yeah, when you got a little note or something. That probably will get filled in with something. I'm not quite sure what yet. I have a few little round mirrors. I might tuck a mirror in there.
Yes.
I'm not sure. These are bottle bricks, which is kind of a cool thing. I guess I don't have the thing right out handy, but I bought. Oh, I do. It's right over here. And I've been pretty pleased with. To make a bottle brick. So a bottle brick is two bottoms. So this is the bottom part of a bottle, and you could cut a bottle in half here and another one there, and put those two bottoms together. You can tape them together and have a bottle brick and stack it in a wall without going really wide and having a lot of surface area at both ends so light passes through. And so this is a pretty inexpensive bottle cutter that I bought on eBay, and it's got a scoring wheel right here, and it's adjustable in length. You just place the bottle there and turn it while putting downward pressure and kind of scoring it, and then heating it and cooling it with an ice cube and a candle, and bottle breaks in half. You tape them together, and so I did a number of those throughout these cordwood walls. So here's one. Let me see, this is just the bottom of a jar, and this is the bottom of a beer bottle, and on the other side of the wall there's a bottom again.
Nice, yeah. So it's, instead of having it go to a small end or whatever, you can make it as whatever width you want to, and then it's got the same shape on both sides. It's cool.
Yeah, and you can control the length of it, and you can mismatch colors, put a blue on one side and a clear on the other.
So you have workshops then during the season, and
I do.
Just how do those work?
Those are available through my website, which is cobwallbuilder.com, and they're also available through dancingrabbit.org. And this year we had a 4.5-day workshop. It was really fun. We had 12 students come out and do 5 different techniques. And next year I'm doing one, I think in August, probably again a 4-day. Yeah.
Great. Wow.
Yeah. I'm also available for consultation. And, if anyone's interested in contacting me, cobwallbuilder.com is a good way. And I do consultations. I can come out, check out your project, whatever's needed.
Sounds great, Hassan.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for the tour. What
Thanks
a beautiful
for coming by.
building.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. It's nice to see you, Dan.
Yeah. So I'm really impressed with Hassan's house. This gives you just an idea of one of the things that's happening here at Dancing Rabbit. Like, this is the biggest collection of natural buildings in this part of the country. I mean, you can come here and see all these amazing things happening here that you won't find anywhere else. Sustainable systems implemented, natural building, all those kind of things happening here at Dancing Rabbit. So you should really come and visit yourself if you have the chance. And also, don't forget to check out Hassan's website, cobwallbuilder.com. There's actually a bunch of photographs of the building process of that house, so you can see the progression from the foundation all the way to the point that it's at now in photographs on his website. So if you were wondering what the wattle and daub looked like and some of the other things that he was talking about before they had the plaster on them, just go check out his website. He's also got information about his natural building workshops, as he said. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like the video, and I'll see you next time.